Artificial intelligence has moved incredibly fast, you know. In just a handful of years, the world around us has changed in surprising ways. Many people are asking a simple question: why did this happen so quickly? The speed of AI's growth is not an accident. It came from a powerful combination of three main forces working together. These forces created a perfect storm for rapid innovation, turning science fiction ideas into everyday tools. Understanding these three pillars is the first step to understanding our future with AI, and why 2026 feels like a pivotal year for this technology. The first major force was the explosion of data. We live in a world that creates information constantly. Every time you click, every time you post, every time you use a device, you are generating data. This massive amount of information is like a library for AI. Machines studied billions of text documents, images, and sounds, learning language, recognizing patterns, and generating new content with surprising accuracy. Without this ocean of data, AI models would be like students with no textbooks, unable to learn about the world in a meaningful way. At the heart of this AI explosion is a small group of influential technology companies. They are often called the Magnificent Seven. These companies are Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. They are the primary architects of the current AI landscape. Each one plays a unique but powerful role, building the large models and essential tools that are now becoming common. They are investing billions of dollars into research, cloud computing infrastructure, consumer applications. Their work is the engine driving AI's integration into our phones, our workplaces, and our online services. These seven companies have the resources to shape the future of technology. For example, Google and Microsoft are leaders in AI research and provide cloud services that allow smaller companies to use their powerful models. Amazon, through its cloud platform AWS, provides the computing backbone for countless AI startups. Meta has pushed the boundaries of open-source models, giving more people access to this technology. Nvidia designs the essential chips that power almost all advanced AI training. Apple is integrating AI deeply into its consumer devices, and Tesla uses it to pioneer self-driving technology. Their combined influence is immense. The rapid rise of AI is naturally causing a lot of discussion about jobs. It will change the world of work in profound ways. Some jobs will be lost. This will be a difficult transition for many people. Specifically, roles that involve simple tasks, repetitive tasks, routine tasks are most at risk of being automated. For instance, basic data entry can now be done by AI with high accuracy. Some customer service roles that answer common questions can be handled by sophisticated chatbots. However, AI is not just a story of job loss. It is also a story of job creation and job transformation. New roles are emerging that did not exist a few years ago. We now need people to build AI systems, maintain AI systems, test AI systems, and improve AI systems. There is growing demand for AI safety experts who work to prevent models from making errors or being misused. We also need AI trainers and ethicists. This is a reshuffle, moving workers from old tasks to new ones centered on this technology. For the majority of people, their jobs will not disappear, but they will change. AI will become a tool, a partner. A graphic designer can generate dozens of concepts in minutes. A programmer codes and debugs faster. A doctor analyzes scans earlier and more accurately. The development of artificial intelligence is not happening in a vacuum. It has become a global competition, with several countries vying for leadership. A few nations have pulled ahead and are currently leading the AI race. The United States stands out due to its powerful technology companies and world-class research universities attracting top talent from around the world. The private sector, driven by the Magnificent Seven, invests enormous sums into research and development. Close behind, and in some areas ahead, is China. AI is a national priority with massive support, fast implementation from e-commerce to smart city infrastructure, and a huge domestic market of data. The European Union leads in regulation and safety, creating frameworks for ethical, responsible AI and setting global standards. Canada, the United Kingdom, India, and South Korea add distinct strengths, making this a complex, multipolar race. As we move through 2026, we can expect several major developments that will push AI even further into the mainstream. One of the most important steps will be the improvement of multimodal models, AI systems that can work with text, images, audio, and video. Imagine giving an AI a video and asking it to write a summary, create a soundtrack, generate a promotional image. This integration will unlock new creative and practical applications. Tools will become more accessible and affordable as software gets more efficient and specialized hardware scales. In 2026, faster and cheaper chips will spread. This will allow smaller companies, startups, and even individuals to create sophisticated AI applications, fueling a new wave of innovation. Alongside this, expect more safety and clear rules as governments implement responsible AI laws. Companies will test for errors, biases, and abuse, and be more transparent about how systems work and what data they're trained on. The path forward: educate and upskill, set clear and fair rules, support workers displaced by automation, and keep AI human-centered, built to assist and empower.